Hey, good morning, folks. Wacky weatherman. Yeah, it's the 30th of January of 23. One more day left, and let's check out the weather. We're supposed to have some wintry mix this morning, and I'm looking out the window. It's cold and cloudy, just like it was yesterday. Ooh, let's see what this is.
Talk back on.
We got a special statement up here.
WPSD radar. Weather alerts. Winter weather advisory today 3 p.m. Tomorrow 9 button. 3 winter weather advisory remains in effect from 3 p.m. this afternoon to 9 a.m. ceased Tuesday 3 What 3 Mike's precipitation expected. Total sleet and snow accumulations of up to a half inch and ice accumulations of 1 to 2/10 of an inch. Where 3 portions of southern Illinois, western Kentucky, and southeast Missouri. When 3 from 3 p.m. this afternoon to 9 a.m. ceased Tuesday. Impacts 3 difficult travel conditions are possible as roadways turn icy. Isolated to scattered power outage are possible across the southern portions of Purchase and Pennyrile regions of West Kentucky. Additional details 3 Mike's precipitation will spread from west to east this afternoon into tonight. The precipitation will begin as a mix of sleet and snow before transitioning to mainly freezing rain overnight into early Tuesday morning. Precautionary/preparedness actions 3 Slow down and use caution while traveling. Prepare for possible power outages. Out of list. WPSD radar. Accessibility.
All right, well,
Back.
let's check this out here.
Back.
Yep, might want to drink our coffee and get going. It said it's in effect between 3 o'clock and 9 o'clock tomorrow. Sleet storm. So, talking about a half an inch of ice. So, yeah, I don't want to get out there on that.
Talk back off.
All right, y'all, let's check this out here real quick.
Hey friends, good Monday morning to you. Got a messy forecast for the next couple of days with a little drizzle this morning. By the afternoon today, between 4 and 6, we get wintry mix moving in. So freezing rain and sleet will be possible in this event for tonight. And this is mainly going to be a travel impact situation. I don't believe we're going to get enough ice for any kind of power issues. It is possible in northwest Tennessee by tomorrow evening we could see maybe an isolated outage, but it's really going to be slick travel, bridges, overpasses, sidewalks that we really have to keep an eye on this evening and again tomorrow.
Okay.
This first wave that develops this afternoon moves out by tomorrow morning, and then we've got a second wave of some light freezing rain that will move into the Boot Heel and Tennessee, maybe western Kentucky tomorrow afternoon. You go north of the Ohio River, we may not see a whole lot of precipitation out of these two waves today and tomorrow. Hey friends, good Monday morning to you. Chief Meteorologist Trent Okerson with a look at your forecast, and we've got some messy weather ahead for the beginning of our work week here, and potential for some wintry mix across the area today. A winter weather advisory in effect for this afternoon, 3 o'clock through Tuesday, 9 o'clock for southeast Missouri. Extreme southern Illinois, that's Alexander, Pulaski, Massac, Pope County, all of western Kentucky, Lake and Obion County, Tennessee. This is for some sleet and freezing rain mixed. Sleet amounts possibly up to near a half inch, but there's going to be freezing rain in here as well. So tough to nail down exact amounts. The bottom line, the impact in this winter weather advisory is going to be the potential for slick travel up to an 1 to 2/10 of an inch of ice there. In West Tennessee, an ice storm warning issued from Monday 3 o'clock through noon on Wednesday for the possibility of 2 rounds of freezing rain that could result in up to a quarter of an inch or a little bit more of ice. I think probably on the lower end of those amounts is the more realistic thing. And of course, anytime we see ice storm, we have flashbacks to 2009. This is not going to be anything like that, but a little bit more ice accumulation here in northwest Tennessee.
Oh, yeah.
Travel will still be the biggest impact with that as well. So up to a quarter of an inch of ice.
Boy, too bad we didn't have Wacky weatherman then.
Slick roads and walkways. A quarter to a half inch, even worse as far as travel conditions are concerned. You might have a couple limbs down and an isolated short-lived power outage, but that would be the worst of the impacts out of this event. Really, travel is going to be the main thing to watch out for tonight and into tomorrow. The timing on this, we'll have some drizzle this morning, not much going on at noon today, and then this initial burst of precipitation comes in southeast Missouri toward about 4 o'clock, building east toward about 6 o'clock, and then it's really from the Ohio River southward that we see most of our impacts tonight. This peak area is a mix of sleet and freezing rain, and temperatures will be running in the upper 20s to lower 30s here. You get farther north into southern Illinois, we're probably not going to see a lot of precipitation, if anything even, out of this system tonight. This event will start to wind down overnight. By tomorrow morning, we're in kind of a lull. Temperatures are cold in the 20s for most of the area, and then a second wave of some light freezing rain in the Boot Heel, Tennessee, perhaps a little bit in Kentucky by tomorrow afternoon at 3 o'clock. That'll continue through tomorrow evening around 9, 10
Let's
o'clock.
see what the rest of the week looks
taper
like.
off. Temperatures still in the 20s. As far as ice amounts are concerned, with this first wave that comes in tonight into tomorrow morning, again, we're talking about generally 1 to 2 tenths of an inch of ice, and then a little bit more, possibly bringing the total up to near a third of an inch over parts of Tennessee through Wednesday morning. So bottom line, if you're traveling this evening, tomorrow morning, and then again tomorrow evening into Wednesday morning, be prepared for slick spots, especially on bridges and overpasses and sidewalks. We don't want anybody taking a fall on black ice out of this mess the next couple of days. 35 is your high today, 20 tonight, 31 tomorrow, and then 23 Wednesday morning. So temperatures will be solidly below freezing until Wednesday afternoon, 36 then. 44 on Thursday, a slight chance of a rain shower. 37 and sunny on Friday, and then milder for the weekend, 47 on Saturday and 51 on Sunday, with mostly cloudy skies for the upcoming weekend. Appreciate you checking in with us. Stay safe out there, and have a good rest of your Monday.
All right, y'all. Wacky weatherman.
Good morning, everyone. Meteorologist Nolan Kane in with your Sunday.
So, I'll guess I'll see y'all outside for the next video, and we'll see what happens here, man. So, y'all be groovy. Wacky weatherman, January 30th, 2023. Let's see what this developing thing is, and we'll take you a little bit with us to the to Anna and check this out. So, all right. So here we go. So I'll see y'all in the next video right after this one. So, stay tuned.